And we are live. Good morning, everybody. It's your favorite truck driver in the whole wide world. Ex-truck driver in the whole wide world. It is Bitcoin Ben. Here for the morning. What in the fuck is going on with cryptocurrencies? Folks, I want to be the first to congratulate you on your journey here in cryptos. You have reached a point that you've had the ups, you've had the downs, you've had the good days, you've had the bloodbath days, you've had everyone call you crazy, you've had everyone at your Thanksgiving events tell you how wacky you are and how crazy you are. And how could you ever believe in any of this? There's nothing to it. It's magic internet money. Folks, just to set the tone of the video today, let me share a screen. BlackRock reveals it's quietly preparing for a 35 trillion Federal Reserve dollar crisis with Bitcoin, predicted to spark a sudden price boom. I don't know if you guys watch my show on a daily basis or on a weekly, or if just once in a while you actually catch my show. I have been saying this for years. Well, no, this specifically since BlackRock launched its EFT. Now, why is this significant? Folks, I've told you, FTX was the old systems company that was going to transition the old in control structure into the crypto structure. That's what they were going to use FTX for. You ever wonder why it had so many corporations under it? You ever wonder why it gave so much money to the Democrats? You ever wonder why it was structured the way it was? Folks, it was their new BlackRock. Now, since FTX went under because of CZ attacking it and bringing it down, That's why CZ went to jail, because they can't be letting that happen. But see, CZ is a China that. So the Chinese government said, we'll let you throw him in jail for a while, just to save face. But that's it. Not very long. And he's basically going to be at a Hilton. So then, after FTX collapsed, Larry Fink, BlackRock, and all of the other corporate entities were in full panic. My friends, then launch the ETF, because the ETF, they knew they had to implement it into some corporate structure. So they implemented it into BlackRock through the ETF. Now, BlackRock is recreating FTX in Texas. That's what BlackRock is opening in Texas. But they know it's coming. And when I say it, what I mean is the price pitch. Folks, when I say that the Bitcoin's going to jump, it's going to jump, and it's going to jump fast. Now, why? Hey, Ben, why is it going to jump fast? Well, number one, it's how it's built. It's limited supply. So even if you accumulate a lot of it, you still cannot control the price of it as long as you think you can. Yes, the God candle. All right. Because of the limited supply, even if you are manipulating with this group of the Bitcoin that you own, you still are holding just a portion of an overall uncontrollable asset. So the rest of the liquid market is going to set the price. Remember, they are manipulating the price through Coinbase. But the biggest exchange in the world is Binance. CZ gets out of the clank on the 29th. My friends, No, no. Don't you need Coinbase out of the way first? No, because Coinbase is going to wind up like FTX. That's it. This is what happens when you deal with a decentralized digital currency. You have to think of it like water, right? And you think of Coinbase as like an outflow, a relief valve, right? Well, that relief valve will only work for a certain amount of pressure because you have to rely on the rest of the water to flow through that relief valve. Well, in a decentralized, that won't happen. The rest of us won't sell to Coinbase. The rest of us will move away from Coinbase as it becomes more and more obvious that they're manipulating. This is like nothing they've ever really dealt with. That's why Forbes, right? That article was from Forbes. Listen to the headline. BlackRock reveals it's quietly preparing for a 35 trillion Federal Reserve dollar crisis with Bitcoin. Understand what that sentence means. BlackRock reveals it's quietly preparing. That means creating structure, putting all of the ETF assets into all of its corporations to recapitalize all of their investments. Because how do you protect a large group of corporations? Easy. You put a fast growing asset onto all of their balance sheets so that when the dollar falls, and it is falling, folks, the economy, we're going into a recession. No matter what they do with the interest rate, you have to understand that the interest rate adjustment is not an instant trigger on the plumbing of the system. Yes, people react on the open market instantly, but it doesn't affect the monetary flow in the plumbing for about a year to a year and a half. This is what is coming. It's why when me and my wife recently bought a car, the dealership was like, yeah, we've sold 13 cars last month. They usually sell 150. Folks, we're in a recession. We have been in a recession. Now we're going to go into a depression. That's where prices drop on assets. Now, the thing that reacts great in a depression is Bitcoin, because everyone's going to try and capture the gains they made before the depression sets in. That's what they're talking about. They see the stock market is about to take a everlasting hit because all of the companies we're going into a depression. And the bonds, if you lower the interest rate, the bonds drop. Because the amount of return you're getting on a new bond isn't good. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is what BlackRock's prepared for. The price of the Bitcoin is gonna skyrocket fast for two reasons. Number one, just how it's made and the demand. Number two, they want the price to skyrocket before the average Joe gets into it. Oh, hang on. Word from our sponsor, real quick.
Ever wondered how safe your online activities really are? How secure is your digital footprint? In the vast realm of the internet, privacy and security are paramount. Without adequate protection, your personal data might be at risk. There are solutions to these issues, and today we're going to talk about two of them. Introducing Liberty laptops from CALIX Solutions. These cutting-edge devices are meticulously designed to bolster online privacy, providing you the liberty to surf the internet incognito. The World Wide Web can be a wild frontier, but with Liberty laptops, your online privacy is always protected. We also present you crypto laptops, designed with cryptocurrency users in mind. Equipped to support a myriad of wallets and exchanges, these laptops are tailored for seamless cryptocurrency transactions. They offer enhanced security protocols to keep your digital assets safe. Crypto laptops ensures a secure and smooth cryptocurrency experience. It's time to take control of your online privacy and security. Venture over to CALIX Solutions and explore our Liberty laptops and crypto laptops. Don't forget, our affiliate program lets you earn $50 per sale. Visit calixsolutions.io now or call 7028458276 for more information, because your online safety is our priority.
Welcome back, guys. Now, this is fundamental to understand. Trump is working to get as many of his supporters to own some Bitcoin. Think about this, folks. Why would Trump running for probably the most important election in world history, not American history, world history. Why would Trump go out of his way to push the Bitcoin at every rally? Why would he be launching a platform which is more than a platform? Trust me, folks. Yes, yes. Right? Trump's project is for accredited investors, it seems. Guess we need to just buy Bitcoin. Yes, that was on purpose. Trump doesn't want the little guy investing or trying to invest in what he's doing. No, that's too complicated. Trump is setting up this platform to launch the Bitcoin to as many people as he possibly can, as many of his supporters as he possibly can, so that when the Bitcoin goes crazy, who gains the wealth? Right, Trump supporters. He with the most Bitcoin wins. He's network. Whoever's network owns the most Bitcoin wins. And should we still stay into divvy? Will it go up this cycle? Yes. Hodl the divvy. Hodl all of your altcoins. Folks, this is the election that shifts into a pro crypto environment. That's why Trump keeps saying crypto and Bitcoin, crypto and Bitcoin, crypto and Bitcoin. I was explaining to a group of friends yesterday while I'm here in Texas. You have to look at it like the Bitcoin is the Model T Ford, right? Henry Ford set up the protocol of the modern automobile. Right? Henry Ford set up the protocol of the modern automobile. That's what the Bitcoin is. The Bitcoin is the crypto protocol, the first mover crypto protocol. Now, as we move forward, we'll get the Dodge, we'll get the Chrysler, we will get the Ferrari, the Lamborghini, the work truck, the crane, the towed truck, the tractor trailer, the truck that rolls down the street with a video on the side of the truck. That's a use case for the protocol of the automobile. That's what these altcoins are. They are Sam says, I hope you help the Divvy guys out with their marketing. They need a plan. They have a plan. Folks, the last thing you want to do in this environment as a crypto project is advertise. The SEC will take your head off. In the middle of a war, you don't stand up. The SEC has been shooting at anybody who stands up. The Divvy project is doing exactly what they should be doing. I hear this a lot. Why doesn't Divvy market? Well, the price is dropping. They're not getting any attention. Yeah. We're in the middle of a war with the federal government. You don't stand up in the middle of a firefight. Hey guys, look at us over here at Divvy. How are you? We're going to put out a marketing campaign on Twitter. We're going to put on a marketing campaign. No. You keep your head down and you build. That's what the Divvy team has been doing. Yes. That's what all these projects have been doing, folks. That's what hodl your altcoins. Because we're not in a friendly environment. Right? If you're going through a bad neighborhood, do you honk your horn and flash your lights and roll your window down and crank up a bunch of music? No. You roll your windows up, you lock the door, you hope your car is as quiet as fucking possible. And you hope you got tinted windows. That's how you handle a hostile environment. You really have to think of this. You can't just look at price. You can't look at your individual wants and not think of the logical environment. Yeah, you don't roll down the window and ask for Grey Poupon. Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon? Why, no, I don't, but I will gladly take your wallet and your wife. Folks, the next 6 months is going to be rough. The next 6 months are going to be rough, but they'll be fine. Trump's gonna win. Now, is there gonna be a fight? Absolutely. Is it gonna get crazy? Absolutely. Enjoy it, folks. You can't stop it. You're gonna live through it. Enjoy the excitement of being here. Yeah, oh, you nailed it, Bobby. You nailed it. Rough and exciting at the same time. Yes, folks, this is going to be like a roller coaster ride where your seatbelt, you're not quite sure if you heard it click. I think it clicked. This is going to be one hell of a ride, folks. Can you explain rough? Oh, I love women. Uncomfortable. Women want specifics. Tell me what I need to prepare for. Give me a shopping list. God bless you, Tall Mary. That's the same thing my wife says. She was like, well, if it's going to be bad, I mean, should I buy, um, should I buy extra mascara? I guess if you feel that mascara is necessary. But I don't know exactly what all's going to happen, but I do know there's going to be two groups that are fighting over control of the next 500 years of this. Folks, this is going to be one hell of a story to tell your grandchildren, to tell your children, hell, just to remember. In fact, you want to do something fun. Think about this. Create a 6-month diary, all right? Or every day record a little video on your phone. What happened today? And do a video of everything you can remember from today. Like what happened with Trump, or what was relevant, what you think is relevant, and save those videos so your children, your grandchildren can look back on them and go, my God, look at how young Grandpa was. And then it's you giving a play-by-play of this most amazing point in history. Now me, I do them every day. It's my show. Yeah. Dear Diary, today I found out every rapper I loved in the 90s is a pedo. I'm having a hard time digesting that. Uh, this is Revelations, folks. Revelations just means revealing the truth. I'm so excited about all of this. I had someone ask, hey, Ben, don't you get a little anxiety from all this? Nah. What's anxiety going to do? See, I'm a very weird person. I don't do anything that isn't going to achieve an outcome that I want. So I don't have anxiety because anxiety doesn't achieve anything. And if it does not achieve anything, I see no reason for it. It's useless. I don't worry about yesterday. I try and plan for tomorrow, but I pack for today. Let's just put it that way. I plan for tomorrow, but I pack, P-A-C-K, for today. This is, you're going to love looking back on this. You're going to forget the anxiety and just remember the excitement. Oh, absolutely. So we should expect ETC to make a big move. Oh, wait. Oh, we shouldn't expect ETC to make a big move for another 6 months. No, no, no. Oh, no. That's not what I'm saying. The big move is one of the weapons during the 6 months. That's what I'm saying. You have to understand what the Bitcoin is against the Federal Reserve. The Bitcoin is this. The Bitcoin is competition against the bonds. That's what its real competition is. Long-term store of purchasing price. My friends, we're off to an interesting place. Yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I always forget to say that on whatever platform you're watching. And I'm here in Dallas. we found a great place for our club here in Dallas. Now we just gotta get it. Folks, these clubs, for those of you new, I own, or we have, I say I own, we have 3 clubs. One's in Sarasota, one's in Nashville, and one's up in Massachusetts. They are called Bitcoin Ben's crypto clubs, and they're education and social centers and entrepreneurial sandboxes for cryptocurrency. Yeah. And we are, oh, here you go. But Bamboo Bin Club ownership information 941-391-3882. Yeah. This is how much that I want to help the little guys get involved. I'm actually offering in-house financing for club ownership, where you actually make a monthly payment on a loan on owning a club, and it's all in-house. Folks, this is how you win your country back. You can literally own, right? Penn is putting up $5 million of his own money. Yeah. Hey, you want to change the world? You have to, like the founding fathers said, our life, our liberty, and our treasure. If you're not willing to risk it all for freedom and your country and your world as I view it, why are you playing the game? Folks, what I need is people to help me with the clubs. Right? That's why I set up the loans. I need the people more than I need the money. I know that sounds weird in cryptos. Most people are like, send me half a Bitcoin and I'll send you 5. No, this is, hey, I need you. I need your passion. I'll give you a loan for the ownership. That's not a problem. I just need your passion. I need your energy, your creativity, your knowledge. Right? Right? I am all in on Bitcoin. I have very little cash. Yeah, that's why it's a monthly payment. That's why I'm not asking asking for a lump sum on these loans and stuff. I'm trying to help you own part of a club without having to come up with a lump sum of money. Now, the clubs we already have on books, those already have investors in them. I'm talking Las Vegas Club, probably Miami Club, well, I don't know about California. I'm still friggin' torn on if I should launch a club in California. I don't know. Oklahoma City, Denver, Colorado. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, they're interest-free loans, 0% interest. Folks, I want my freedom back. I want my freedom back. Oregon, I don't know. I don't know. Hang on a minute. I'm in on that Las Vegas club. Yeah, I mean, it's, folks, I don't know what else I can do. I need people to help me run these clubs and help with their crypto knowledge and all that. And I'm literally saying, okay, well, I'll give you a loan, 0% interest, to own part of the clubs. There you go. Yes. We have a 5-year plan to build the clubs all over the U.S. Yes, every state except Alaska, California, I don't know, New York. I'm not going to New York. I don't even know about Jersey yet. This is the future. So if you're interested, give us a call, right, at 941-391-3882. That's it. Simple. There you go. Rock and roll. All right. Everyone, have a great day. I have traveled back to Florida. The next week, I'm in Nashville all week. So next week, if you're near our Nashville club, come on down and see me. See just how good looking I really am. Warning, I wouldn't bring your wife. They tend to fall in love with me instantly. I don't know what it is. I think it's my eyes. Everyone have a great day. I'll talk to you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.